Hello everyone, welcome back to the fourth video of our series all about Olympiad. In this video, we will discuss about the Unicus Olympiad examination. Today we are going to know about what are Unicus Olympiads, who and how students can enroll for these exams, what are the subjects they take examination for, question pattern and marking scheme, examination procedure, results and ranking criteria, awards and recognition, and how to prepare the syllabus and what should be the strategy to prepare for these examination. Let's discuss one by one. The Unicus Olympiad. Unicus Olympiad are India's first summer Olympiads, now offering exams in both winter and summer sessions for grade KG to 11. The exam assess students' practical application of concepts based on their studies. The exam assess students' practical application of concept based on their studies. The Unicus Olympiads are conducted twice a year, once in summer, July or August, and once in winter in the month of the January. Who and how students can enroll for these exams? The students from grade KG to 11 can register for Unicus Olympiad exams through their school or individually. To enroll in these exams, students need to register on their official website with personal details such as name, date of birth, contact information, and more. For enrolling through school, they have to provide all details to the concerned person of the school. Name of the subjects in which they conduct examination. They conduct examination in various subjects like Unicus Mathematics Olympiad, Unicus Science Olympiad, Unicus English Olympiad, Unicus General Knowledge Olympiad, Unicus Critical Thinking Olympiad. Above all, examination held in summer, that is in July or August every year. And other one are Unicus Global Mathematics Olympiad, Unicus Global Science Olympiad, Unicus Global English Olympiad. They held in winter, means in the month of January every year. The question pattern and marking scheme of Unicus Olympiad examination are: in summer Olympiad exams, students studying in grade 1 have to complete 25 questions in 30 minutes. For grade 2 students, there will be 35 questions in 40 minutes. And for grade 3 to 5th, number of question will be 40 in 50 minutes and 50 questions in 60 minutes for grade 6th to 11. Marks are varied from 30 to 60 for these grades. In Winter Olympiad examination, number of questions vary from 30 to 50 for the timing 45 minutes to 60 minutes with varying marks 40 to 60. Individual details are mentioned in this Excel sheet. You can check from here. Now let's come to the examination procedure, mode of the examination. All exams will have 3 mock tests and 1 final exam. The mock tests can be attempted 3 times by a student. In mock tests, the ranking will not be declared. The exam will have to taken by a student from home or school's computer lab. The student should have a working laptop or desktop with good internet connection and a webcam. The speed of the internet connection should be 2 Mbps. Also, the desktop or laptop should have latest version of the browser, preferably Google Chrome. The exam can't be taken using mobile device as the online mode of exam will be proctored. Access through webcam is compulsory. Results and ranking criteria. The result of the exam is declared after 4 to 6 weeks. Students achieved more marks will get higher rank. In case of a tie, the student completing the test in lesser time will be ranked higher. In case of a tie again, the younger student based on the date of birth will be ranked higher. Since Unicus Olympiads will be held on different days and session with different sets of question papers, final ranks will be announced based on the normalization of the ranks for each session. In case of two or more students score same marks under the criteria, they will be awarded the same rank. In case of any confusion, decision of their academic council will be final and binding. Awards and recognition. For class 1, the students who achieve more than 60% in the exam will receive a certificate of excellence and and a medal delivered to his or her home or school address. And all the students will get a digital certificate of participation, which can be downloaded from the result section on the dashboard. From grade 2 to 11, overall top 3 participants in each subjects will be awarded for Scholars Trophy and Certificate of Excellence. Top 3 participants registered through school with more than 25 participants in a class appearing for an Olympiad exam will be awarded with a gold medal and a Certificate of Excellence. Top 10% of overall participants for those who have zonal rank less than or equal to 10 will be awarded with a gold medal and a certificate of excellence. Top 25% participants will be awarded with a certificate of excellence. Top 25 to 50% participants will be eligible for a digital certificate of appreciation. Participants registering through school will get a hard copy of certificate of appreciation. Remaining participants will be awarded a digital certificate of participation. This will be available in the dashboard of the participant. If a participant meets 2 or more criteria, then he or she will qualify for higher award. Now, how to prepare? What is the syllabus and strategy for the preparation? The UNICUS Olympiad considers the syllabus for all the subjects for immediate last 2 years studied in school for grade 3rd to 11th for summer Olympiad, and syllabus of current class is considered for winter Olympiad. It considers the syllabus of just the last for second and first grade for summer as well as winter Olympiad examination. To achieve good rank, students should cover all the topics in detail with the concept clarity. You can enroll with our online classes too, where school as well as Olympiad syllabus are covered thoroughly. Details are mentioned in the description box. Thanks for joining us. I hope you found this video informative. If so, you can share it with your friends too. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more about Olympiad information and look forward to our YouTube series all about Olympiad. Thank you.